I still remember scooping my famous Sunday chili, only to find black flakes of Teflon floating in the bowl. That terrifying moment of realizing I had been feeding my family toxic chemicals sent me down a rabbit hole. Finding a truly non-toxic slow cooker is a nightmare filled with misleading green marketing and hidden heavy metals. You deserve peace of mind while cooking. Today, I am breaking down the top 7 best non-toxic crockpots I have rigorously tested in my own kitchen. Stick around because the #1 spot completely redefined how I slow cook safely forever. 7. Zojirushi L-CAC60. When I first brought this unit into my kitchen, I was immediately drawn to its sleek, compact profile and the brand's legendary reputation for precision heating. It features a versatile temperature control system that allows for everything from slow cooking to yogurt making and even deep frying. The cooking pot is made from thick stainless steel with a specialized non-toxic coating that promises safe, chemical-free meals, which was exactly what I was looking for. During my testing, the Zojirushi performed admirably when it came to maintaining exact temperatures. I made a batch of delicate bone broth, and the steady, low heat extracted incredible flavor without boiling over. The digital control panel is packed with settings, giving you 9 different menu options. It is a highly engineered piece of equipment, and you can feel the build quality in the heavy cooking pan and the secure lid mechanism. However, as much as I wanted to love this high-tech machine, spending a few weeks with it revealed some frustrating realities. The biggest issue I encountered was its relatively small capacity. If you are trying to meal prep for a large family or host a dinner party, you are going to find yourself incredibly cramped for space, often having to cook in batches, which completely defeats the set and forget convenience of a slow cooker. Furthermore, the interface, while feature-rich, is unnecessarily complicated. I found myself having to pull out the manual just to figure out how to set a basic slow cook timer. Combined with a premium price tag that feels a bit steep for the limited volume it offers, the Zojirushi L-CAC60 is a decent non-toxic option, but it certainly leaves a lot to be desired for everyday heavy-duty family use. 6. Bella SAVOR. I picked this one up because it heavily markets its healthy, PFAS-free ceramic nonstick coating, and the aesthetic is undeniably modern and attractive on the countertop. It offers a very generous capacity, making it immediately appealing for anyone looking to seat a crowd without exposing their food to harmful chemicals. The digital interface is straightforward, and the promise of easy, one-pot meals without the toxic dread had me excited to put it through its paces. I started my testing with a classic pulled pork shoulder. The Bella SAVOR handled the large cut of meat with ease thanks to its roomy interior. The programmable timer was simple to set, and I appreciated that it automatically shifted to a warm setting once the cooking cycle was complete. The ceramic coating truly shined during cleanup. Even the sticky, caramelized barbecue sauce wiped away with just a soft sponge and warm water, keeping the promise of a non-toxic, non-stick surface intact. Yet, my enthusiasm began to wane as I continued to use it for different recipes. While the ceramic coating is safe, it feels surprisingly fragile. After just a few uses with wooden utensils, I noticed faint superficial scratches, making me seriously question its long-term durability. If a non-toxic coating starts degrading early on, it compromises the entire investment, no matter how affordable the initial purchase price might be. Additionally, the heat distribution proved to be rather inconsistent. I found that the bottom of the pot ran significantly hotter than the sides, resulting in a few scorched meals when I wasn't carefully monitoring the liquid levels. The lid also felt a bit flimsy and didn't lock in moisture as tightly as I prefer for slow cooking. It is an okay entry-level non-toxic option, but the performance inconsistencies hold it back from greatness. 5. Ninja PossibleCooker PRO. This machine represents a significant step up in versatility and performance. Right out of the box, you notice the massive 8.5 quart capacity, which is an absolute game changer for batch cooking. It boasts an 8-in-1 functionality, but what really drew my attention was its non-toxic, oven-safe cooking pot. You can take the pot straight from the base and put it into an oven up to 500 degrees, making it an incredibly dynamic tool for finishing roasts or crisping up cheese on top of a casserole. Testing the Ninja PossibleCooker PRO was an absolute delight. particularly because of its bottom and side heating elements. I decided to test its searing capabilities by browning a chuck roast directly in the pot before switching it over to the slow cook function. The sear was fantastic, saving me from having to dirty a separate skillet on the stove. This seamless transition from high heat searing to low and slow braising locks in flavor effortlessly, all while maintaining a safe, chemical-free cooking environment. The non-stick surface on this unit is exceptionally robust. Unlike some other brands that use fragile ceramics, Ninja utilizes a proprietary non-toxic coating that stood up beautifully to heavy use during my testing phase. Even when I cooked a dense, cheesy potato soup that would normally cement itself to the sides of a traditional slow cooker, the Ninja wiped totally clean in seconds. The included glass lid is heavy and forms a superb seal, ensuring that moisture and flavor remain trapped inside where they belong. Another massive benefit is the sheer power of this machine. It heats up significantly faster than traditional crockpots, meaning your food reaches safe cooking temperatures quickly. The digital display is bright, intuitive, and angles slightly upward so you don't have to bend over to read it. For large families or anyone who loves to host, the Ninja PossibleCooker PRO delivers reliable, non-toxic cooking with exceptional convenience and top-tier build quality. Cuisinart MSC-600NAS. Cuisinart has been a staple in reliable kitchen appliances for decades, and this unit brings their expertise into the non-toxic slow cooking space. It features a 6-quart capacity and a very handsome brushed stainless steel exterior that looks professional in any kitchen. The inner cooking pot is crafted from a high-quality aluminum with a premium non-toxic BPA-free non-stick coating that guarantees no harmful chemicals will leach into your family dinners. I put the Cuisinart through a rigorous test by making a complex beef bourguignon that requires precise temperature control. The unit offers 3 distinct culinary functions: slow cook, brown and saute, and steam. Being able to brown the bacon and sear the beef right in the unit at temperatures up to 400 degrees was incredibly convenient. Once I added the wine and broth, I seamlessly switched it to the slow cook setting. The resulting stew was deeply flavorful and the meat was perfectly tender, proving that the heat consistency on this machine is absolutely top-notch. One of my favorite aspects of the Cuisinart is the ergonomics of the cooking pot. It is surprisingly lightweight compared to the heavy ceramic crocks found in traditional slow cookers, making it incredibly easy to lift out and carry to the table for serving. Despite being lighter, it holds heat beautifully and distributes it evenly across the base and sides. The handles are well insulated, so you can maneuver the hot pot without constantly reaching for oven mitts. The digital interface is another strong point, featuring a large blue backlit LCD display that makes programming time and temperature completely foolproof. You are never left guessing about how much time is remaining. The glass lid fits perfectly into the rim, preventing any messy splatters or steam escapes. It is a wonderfully reliable, safe, and highly functional appliance that brings a touch of gourmet convenience to everyday non-toxic cooking. GreenLife 6QT. If you are searching for the absolute gold standard in non-toxic materials, GreenLife is a brand that commands attention. Their entire identity is built around healthy, PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium-free ceramic coatings. This specific slow cooker pairs that pristine safety profile with a vibrant, stylish design that instantly brightens up your kitchen counter. It offers a spacious 6-quart capacity, making it the perfect size for standard family meals. During my time testing the GreenLife, I was continually impressed by how lightweight and manageable the inner pot is. I prepared a massive batch of vegetarian chili, and unlike traditional stoneware inserts that weigh a ton even when empty, this pot was a breeze to lift and wash in the sink. The ceramic coating is slick and incredibly effective. Not a single bean or tomato chunk stuck to the sides, and it required 0 soaking to clean afterward. The heat distribution was remarkably steady, providing a gentle, rolling simmer that perfectly melded the spices over an 8-hour low cook. What truly sets the GreenLife apart in the non-toxic category is the purity of its cooking surface. You can cook acidic foods like heavy tomato sauces or vinegar-based marinades with absolute confidence, knowing there is 0 risk of chemical leaching or metallic-tasting off flavors. The outer casing stays reasonably cool to the touch during operation, which is a great safety feature if you have curious kids running around the kitchen. The controls are refreshingly simple, offering traditional low, high, and warm settings. While it might lack the digital bells and whistles of some more expensive competitors, it makes up for it in pure, unadulterated safety and ease of use. Two, GreenPan Elite. GreenPan practically invented the modern healthy ceramic nonstick category, and they have poured all of their premium engineering into this elite appliance. This machine features their signature Thermalon Volt ceramic nonstick coating, which is completely free of PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium. It is a stunning piece of equipment, built with heavy-duty materials that look and feel incredibly luxurious, while providing the ultimate peace of mind regarding food safety. I was eager to see if the premium price tag translated to superior performance, so I tested it with a notoriously tricky dish, a creamy chicken and wild rice soup. The GreenPan Elite handled it flawlessly. The heat control is astonishingly precise, preventing the dairy from curdling or scorching on the bottom, a common problem in lesser slow cookers. It features built-in browning and sauté functions that get genuinely hot enough to achieve a deep caramelized crust on meats before you begin the slow cooking process. The heavy-duty, hard anodized aluminum pot is a masterpiece of kitchen engineering. It provides the kind of thick, even heat distribution you expect from high-end cast iron, but without any of the toxic seasoning concerns or unbearable weight. You can actually take this pot out and use it directly on your stovetop if needed, adding an incredible layer of versatility. The ceramic coating is diamond-infused, making it significantly more durable and scratch-resistant than standard ceramic, ensuring your non-toxic surface stays pristine for years. The digital interface is elegant and highly responsive, featuring a beautifully illuminated screen that makes selecting your cooking modes effortless. The lid is crafted from thick tempered glass with a sturdy handle, providing a perfect view of your meal while trapping all the essential moisture inside. 1. Breville Fast Slow Pro. This is not just a slow cooker, it is a masterclass in modern culinary technology. What makes it the ultimate non-toxic champion is its meticulously engineered, PTFE and PFOA-free ceramic cooking bowl. Breville has managed to create a multi-cooker that safely pressure cooks, slow cooks, steams, and sautés, all within a completely chemical-free environment that meets the highest standards of kitchen safety. Testing the Breville Fast Slow Pro completely revolutionized how I approach mealtime. I decided to make a tough cut of beef brisket, utilizing both the precise temperature sensors and the custom slow cook settings. The machine features dual sensors at the top and bottom of the bowl that constantly monitor and adjust the temperature and pressure. The result was genuinely restaurant-quality brisket that melted in my mouth. It intuitively knows exactly how to regulate heat to avoid the dreaded boiling effect that ruins slow-cooked meals in cheaper pots. The interactive LCD display is where this machine truly flexes its muscles. It tells you exactly what is happening inside the pot, adjusting time, temperature, and pressure based on the specific food you select from its pre-programmed menus. The ceramic bowl is an absolute dream to work with. Despite the extreme heat and pressure it can generate, food simply glides right off the surface. It completely eliminates the anxiety of toxic flakes peeling into your family meals, offering a rock-solid, durable ceramic glaze that withstands rigorous daily use. What truly cements the Breville Fast Slow Pro as the #1 choice is the complete lack of compromise. You do not have to choose between advanced features, culinary perfection, and non-toxic safety. This machine delivers all three flawlessly.